This video is about Mid USA idler throttle repair kit. It comes with 5 foot of cable. It comes with the ends to fix either from the throttle or from the carburetor. You got the barrel, Allen wrench, Allen key, and you measure and cut, and then slide this on the cable. You put your Allen screw in there and tighten it down with a screwdriver. As you see here, I've already got that one set up. Now, you want to run your adjusters all the way in, so that when you go and start tightening it up, you made sure that you got where you got enough slack and where you're not going to be too tight. So when you tighten it up, you want to be about 4 or 5 threads, tight. You'll understand what I'm talking about if you go and do one. But it's a idler throttle repair kit by Mid USA. Nobody has a video on it, and my throttle cables were way too long, and I'm having to short them up by 2 inches. So I'm hoping that this helps somebody else. If they go to hook up a carburetor and for some reason the throttle cables are different, so it is what it is. Anyways, thanks for watching.